Assalamu alaikum guys. So let's discuss that. uh, for now, so far we have selected the product and also we have selected the supplier, and we have placed our order with that supplier. We have to quotation from him as well. Now we are going to hire any company if in case we are not doing DDP, okay, delivery duty pay, with the supplier. We will be discussing these terms, but for now, if just know that if we need to hire any freight forwarders for shipping our goods from China to USA or UK, so how we will find these freight forwarders on Alibaba? So short form of this is FF, right? And same criteria used for selecting freight forwarders. You should be following the criteria we discussed for suppliers. And one thing is there, that read reviews for sure for selecting the supplier. What's the reason behind? It's because they increase price once they pick up your inventory and take it to their warehouse. So they increase the prices and you face like a big loss in such cases. Alright guys, so let's go live and check that how to find suppliers on Alibaba. Okay, so before we were typing here the resistance band and other keywords, now let's type for forwarders, right? Freight forwarders. So here you can see there are different listings in front of us, and these are the listings of suppliers, freight forwarders, FF. So we'll be following the same criteria of trade insurance and verified supplier and response rate. They should be having enough gems, like more than 3, and dealing more since more than 3 years. So let's check this one, right? And we should open another one as well. This one is having also, but it's 1 year, so we'll not select this one. And this one is having product quality. You can see the rating, that supplier service it's 4.8, and on time delivery it's 4.8, and product quality is 4.6. They might have broken some of the units while shipping them and may not have cared them as they should. So we should be keeping these reviews in our site. And let's check another supplier. Okay, for now I just wanted to show you an example. Okay, this one is having 4.4 and this one is having 4.5 and 4.4. These are bad ratings, right? Let's check this 4.4. Alright guys, we are on here and it's the same profile almost like we have checked there before. This is having trade assurance and some of the criteria it is fulfilling, but let's check further. We should open its company profile as well. Alright guys, so here you can see it's 4.4 and we need to check it. Here our 1-star rating, so we need to check that this supplier has got like 13 1-star rating. Okay guys, here you can see it's one of the review, it's 1 star, and what the buyer is saying, order says complete, but half of our shipments have not arrived at Amazon warehouses yet after 2.5 months, even though they promised and gave estimated arrival time of 25 to 30 work days. Very disappointed and worried about the status of our goods now. So it's very unsatisfied review, right? And let's check further. Here it's another 1-star rating, bad service, never got my package. So you should read all of these reviews, and it will give you really a good experience in supplying and sourcing your products. So here it's another bad review, that extremely unsatisfied, the goods were predicted 30 to 40 days by sea, it took about 75 days, then the delivery went terribly and actually ended with me having to go to the doctor, and as the service they used to deliver it to my house did not tell me when they were coming, did not. So it's really he's disappointed. Okay, so you should be reading all of these reviews of different suppliers, and it will give you really a good experience. And you will be having, you can just make a file with you, and you can put all of those bad reviews, that what you should be aware and active about, so that you may not get trapped in those traps of the freight forwarders, which they uh, mostly like do with the buyers. So this was a short video for finding the supplier and uh, like filtering them as per our criteria.